What's going on, everybody? Hope you're doing well tonight. Happy holidays wherever you are. We had Thanksgiving, now we're moving into December, Christmas. We love it. Tonight we're going to be talking about the Levivid Mars. This is the system that I'm currently wearing. I'm actually just going to get right into it. I'm going to post a video right here to show you just like a 360 of what this system looks like on me. Yeah. Now, I want to do a review very quickly of the Mars system because this is the second time that I've worn it. And, I think it's all about how do we just get a little bit better every single day, every single year, all that kind of stuff. So, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I have been a huge proponent of using really the Eros from Levivid. I thought it was a really great unit for a great price, and skin made it super, super easy. This past year I've been really challenged into using more lace systems. I wanted to expand. It was like one of my New Year's goals. It's like, try some other stuff, Jake. So I really started with the Helios, and then during this time I've been pushing and pushing and pushing Levivid to make low density systems. Earlier this year they came out with low density systems. Yay! And getting them has been very hard because everybody wants them. Who knows? Maybe Jake knows a couple of things. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. No. So, the Mars is fundamentally a system that is low density. It's got a graduated hairline, and it's really, really nice. This system, second time I'm wearing it, both times immediately impressed with not just the feel of the hair, by the density, which is just chef's kiss, so good. But also, I don't know if they're making the system a little bit different, but it just feels very, very good to wear. And the hair usually lays very, very nicely. And maybe I'm just getting lucky. I'm not sure. But this is a system that I really do recommend. Now, these systems are made of Swiss lace. Okay, so with the Swiss lace, it is a little bit more fragile than some other systems. But what they did do is they have these thin polyurethane strips that run basically through the sides and the back of this unit that help prevent any type of fraying on the base, which is a nice little value add. This is really, really good for close-ups, for people that are getting close to your, to your scalp. This is good for hot climates. It is a really, really just choice system at 85% density. So this is one of the lightest systems that Levivid currently makes. And the idea here is that you're probably going to need maybe like 3 to 4 a year, maybe. I've easily gotten 3 to 4 months out of this the last time. I could have gone longer, but Levivid sent me some more stuff to try. So, this is a system, guys, I really, really recommend that you give a shot to. If you've tried the Helios or the Thor, but you want something lighter, this is the moneymaker. This is the one for you. If you don't like low density, not for you, right? This is kind of where we're coming in right here. If you part your hair, you can start to see how easily you can see the scalp, right? Now, for me, I like that. I think that goes well with my natural hair on the side. Other people don't like it. It is what it is. But, this is a really, really good time to buy at Levivid right now because basically through this next week, as this video is live, they are having a sale that goes till the 17th of December. And during this break, right, you can get up to $200 off with the things that you're ordering, depending on how much you order, but up to $200 off, right? So this is a good time to just save money. If it's over $250 off, you're getting $50 off. If it's over $400, you're getting $100 off. And with you buy a Mars, right? With that, you just need to buy a little bit of extra stuff, and you're getting $100 back. So it's a really good deal. And then on top of that, they give you a sleep mask, which is very nice. I really, really like it. But more than that, the system holistically is just a good system. I really, really like it, and I think it's good for longevity as well. So I do want you to check it out. Now, if you're not privy to it though, I think if you want something that's a little bit heavier, you go with the Zeo Helios. That would be my next choice if you want something that's just thicker but like the Mars. Then my other choice for this winter right here, especially because it's a little bit colder for a lot of individuals around the world. You don't have to worry as much during this time, unless you're in the southern hemisphere, about heat. Well, this is a good time to be wearing poly. And if you need something that lasts a long time, but also something that is a little bit cheaper, you can still get the single knot Mirage. That's going to last you a long time because it's 0.06 to 0.08 millimeters thick on it. And, right, it's only $249, right? So basically you get $50 off, which is essentially, I don't know, 20% off just for getting going right off the bat. So those would probably be my three systems to kind of guide you towards as we're going through winter. But I really encourage you to try this Mars system and also support Live Vivid with these low density systems, because not a lot of companies are making the low density systems. Not a lot of them are listening to us in this respect. So guys, I hope you're well. I hope you're having an amazing, amazing time this winter break, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.